welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. So today video agenda is how to create app and what is the type of apps and which apps is very useful for us and other things. So let's get started. Let me open my Notepad++ and this video agenda is what is app in Salesforce. So app is nothing but related to the an app is a group of tabs that work a unit to provide functionality. So we can say that app is nothing but is a collection of the tabs, and tabs nothing but when we access any object, so we need to add some tabs for that. So let me open my Google Chrome browser. So don't waste any time. So just log in my Salesforce org, as you see, and what is the app is normally interview questions and how many types of apps in Salesforce. So let me open my Salesforce org, and this is the steps, and you can see this is the classic view, and there are two views in Salesforce, like lightning view and classic view. And you can see here one button switch to lightning experience. So let me just create an app with the help of classic environment. So let me click this setup button, like just wait. So this is setup. This is the setup button. This is a very important button for our customization and configuration, all the related things. So just we need to click this setup button, and after setup button, here you can see left panel. This is the panel, left panel, you can see here, and here you can see one button like quick find and search. So just need, and this is the first way to how to create the app in Salesforce classic environment. So just need here you can type like APPS apps and scroll down, and you can see under the build under the create and create, under the create you can see this app options. Okay, so just need to click this app and click this app link, and you can see here the definitions of apps. So apps is nothing but app is a group of tabs that work unit to provide the functionality. Okay, so this is the definition of apps. So here you can see three buttons like quick start, new and reload. I will explain everything related these buttons, so let it be right now. So just you can see here apps, under apps you can see action, app level, console and custom and descriptions. So these are some standard field in Salesforce. So just need to remove all things and come down, and you can see here console and custom. So just don't worry about that. So just you need to click this new button. You can see this new button. This is a very important new button for creation app. Okay, so just click new button, and here you can see two types of apps. Select types of apps to create which type of app you want to create in Salesforce. So just need here two radio buttons like custom app and console app. So let me open my Notepad, and I will explain every custom app and console app. So just here you can see just types of apps, now types of apps. First of all, console app applications, and second one is custom application. So console app basically used for fixing the bugs and the client issues in production and every environment. So just no need to create this right now. So it's used for fixing the issues and fixing the bugs and solving the client issues. So these 3 points used for this console application. So just skip this console application right now. This is the traditional application, and there are no use in right now. So only use for 2-3% right now in real time. So basically mainly use for right now this custom application, maybe 95% out of 100. So custom app, nothing but there are 2 types of apps. So first of all I will show you something. Here you can see this tab button, and this tab button, this is a one drop down, and you can see this drop down is contain different types of apps. So let me open this app, and you can see here there are so many predefined apps. This is the standard application, service, marketing, community, and this all the things. So this is the app menu. You can see app menu, and this app menu contain the standard application as well custom application. So we need to create our custom application first of all. So here no custom application right now, just one application like project management. So just I need to create some custom application. So choose this custom app, next, and give your custom application name like demo classic. So you can see here there is a app label, and second is app name and descriptions. So these 2 field is mandatory, you can see here, and this is the option. Okay, so just need this is my label name, application label name demo app, and this is my API name. I will explain everything, what is the API name and label name. You can see this application. So just click next button, and here you can see how to customize your custom logo in Salesforce app. So just here you can see insert an image. If you have some logo, so you can insert your logo, otherwise let it be. So just need to next, and here you can see choose the tabs nothing but you can see these all things. This is the tab bar, and these small like home, chatter, campaigns, leads, accounts, contact. These are tabs. So right now I don't use any tabs right now, so just need next button, and here you can see profile. This is profile, nothing but I will explain the profile in a security model. So just skip up right now. So just click this system administrator right now and save, and you can see in app list one app like demo classic. This is demo classic, our custom app. You can see one checkbox is like custom app. You easily identify this type of app. What is the type of this app, like console, custom. So you can see just easily here by clicking this checkboxes, and this checkbox is classic. This is the custom. You can easily identify. And one more difference between the standard applications and custom application, you can see this edit button here. This is the standard thing. This is the standard application without any delete button. This is the standard. And if you see any del button, means delete button, this is the custom application. Another difference between them, this is our custom application. You can easily identify this is what is this and what is this button for custom. Okay, so this is basic knowledge for related how to create app in Salesforce. So right now just need to be clear all things. So just scroll down and here you can see app menu, and after click app menu you can see our custom applications like demo classic. Just need to be click this app and you can see only one tab, home. At the time of app creation only selected this home default. So these all things related to the app and its type. So I hope guys this video is like most full useful for you. So please stay tuned my YouTube channel Salesforce, and please subscribe, share and comments your valuable comments in my video. So thank you guys, bye bye, take care.